Hello and welcome to Mayesh's Design Star series, focusing on sustainability. My name is Pilar of Gorgeous and Green, and I have had 15 years experience as a sustainable and eco-friendly floral designer. So today, we are going to focus on micro designs. I do talk a lot about the sustainable mindset in another video where I do a large scale installation. We're going to take those same ideas of simplification, of reducing our footprint, and apply them to our wearables while creating designs that are structurally sound, highlight the flowers, and that can be worn and create beauty. Today I'm going to make a boutonniere, and I'm going to use wire and not use floral tape. So all of the designs today, I'm going to not use the floral tape because again, it is a product that has petroleum. And in fact, we're gonna step back from that and try to use as much naked materials as possible. So everybody loves to put ribbons on their floral designs, especially wearable. And so I have found quite a few different options, some more affordable than others, that are made of natural materials. And this is actually a really lovely ribbon that comes in lots of different colors, but it's actually cotton based. And of course there are quite a few companies out there that are offering hand-dyed ribbons, some of which are silks or even bamboo silks that have a lovely texture and lovely colors. So there are other options that offer the beauty and color of ribbons that we're used to. So let's get started on a boutonniere using some of the materials here on the table as well as some of the structural materials I talked about. So I'm going to gather some materials for a boutonniere. The Freesia is great because it provides something a little different, a nice little texture, and it is one of the few flowers that has that blue coloring. And something I'm going to do today is use this copper wire to create little loops of Freesia. And when I create boutonnieres, one thing I'm always thinking about is water source. And as I'm designing, I try to keep my flowers in water as long as possible. Here we've got the Strawflower. So I'm just collecting my little materials so I have different things to choose from. The Calla lily is pretty firm. It's pretty structurally sound on its own. So I don't cut into the actual stems of the flowers, is using a little bit of this moss. This is an organic dried moss, and you can either use it dry or you can get it a little wet to help make it more malleable. All right, so I've put my little Freesia bits in and my little satellite Strawflowers, a tiny bit of greens, I like the little bit of movement that the wires actually create for the boutonniere. It makes it a little bit more of a dynamic design. And then of course we can either put it in water, or because I've got the Freesia doing the loops, I'm actually going to feel better if I put it in a little container of sorts. So then I like to use compostable baggies that are actually used for food after I've sprayed them with a little bit of a water mist and stick them in the fridge. And then it's ready to be pinned on someone for their special day.